Hello every time, fellow human from all walks of life, all over the world. This is Food Unknown, discovering unknown food for you, for me, for everybody. Let's taste and eat. So guys, I'm here now inside our business here in Calicanto, Batangas City. And guys, I just want, before mag-start yung video ko, gusto ko lang promote yung Wax Studio, Waxing Salon. So guys, if you have relatives, friends, or family members na mabuhok, so since I now or just come here in Wax Studio Waxing Salon, second floor Batangas Business Center, Calicanto, Batangas City. We are in front of Kaido Commercial Complex. So yun guys, very trendy ngayon yung BTS meal, and isa sa mga pamangkin ko at inaanap is nag-request sa akin na magpabili ng BTS. BTS is very well known. Kumbaga kala-launch lang nila nung kanilang music video na Butter, and na-break niya yung 5 Guinness World Book of Records. So kung gusto niyo malaman ang maraming story about that, so punta lang kayo sa description box below, and then basahin niyo yung article ko regarding dun sa na-break na record ni BTS. So ngayon guys, ako ay pupunta sa McDonald's here in Batangas City para ma-experience at ma-enjoy yung famous BTS meal ng McDonald's. And currently nga, very trending na yon sa Twitter. I think 2 days na nagtitrending yung BTS meal kasi all over the world nilaunch ni McDonald's yung BTS meal nila. And since nga, I think yung promo or marketing nitong BTS meal is napakapatok kasi parang almost on social media, pagbukas ko ng Facebook, pag-search ko ng BTS meal, talagang trending and popular worldwide. I think it's not only here in the Philippines but worldwide. So yun guys, punta na tayo sa McDonald's para matikman at mabili natin yung BTS meal. Okay? So, let's taste and eat!
A few moments later.
So yun guys, nandito na ako sa harap ng McDonald's para mabili natin at ma-experience yung BTS meal ni McDonald's. Okay, pasok na tayo. So kung mapapansin nyo, may mga purple balloons na sa loob, which is yung sa trending sa mga Twitter, normally yun yung on how McDonald's launch yung BTS meal nila. So very popular and very trending nung BTS meal this time. So tara, pasok na tayo. Order na tayo ng BTS McDonald's meal. Guys, dito sa McDonald's, Calicanto, Batangas City, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung way nila kung saan prepare nila at nilaunch yung BTS meal ni McDonald's. So guys, nandito na ako sa loob ng McDonald's Batangas City para ma-experience yung BTS McDonald's meal. So at this time, pagpasok pa lang nung McDonald's na restaurant dito sa Batangas, so na-observe ko na yung purple na mga balloons, and they really prepared para sa big event na to, wherein majority ng mga BTS fans worldwide, not only here in the Philippines, are really excited to taste and experience yung BTS meal sila. So, when I was in Singapore, so na-observe ko na medyo costly yung mga pagkain nila sa mga fast food chain. But currently, kasi sa Pilipinas, medyo mas mura yung mga pagkain. So, na-observe ko nung bumili ako ng BTS meal, sorry hindi ko na nakuna ng video, medyo costly siya. It's around 260 pesos, which is roughly nasa mga $8 to $9. Singapore dollars. So, ano yung kasama ng BTS meals? Meron silang fries, nuggets, at saka medium Coke. Ito yung Coke nila. Tapos, ano rin, specialized yung cup, which is purple. Tapos, here is yung fries. This is the fries. Actually guys, nag-add rin ng purple yam na, what do you call this? Yung purple yam na pie. Alam mo yun, parang mas nag-combine yung purple na color ni BTS dito sa McDonald's. Wala lang, naisip ko lang na i-suggest kasi very purple yung ambience ngayon ni McDonald's. And kung may nahagip na video kanina dun sa introduction ko, kung papansin din ninyo, a lot of people inside McDonald's are mga bata, mga kids. Kumbaga parang they are really fan ng BTS. So kasama din doon Cajun. I don't know what is Cajun is. So this one. So I think chili sauce. So let's try later kung anong lasa. Then yung sweet chili sauce. Tapos yung chicken nuggets. Alright, this is yung chicken nuggets. So meron silang 10 pieces na chicken nuggets. Ayan. Alright. For me, 260 is siguro yung promotion and value ni BTS medyo mataas. So that's why the amount is very a little bit expensive. Siguro ididiretso ko na lang yung pagbablog ko kasi yung sound sa taas hindi kasi pwede natin pag kinapture ko kasi yun makaka-copyright ako. So for the meantime, stop ko muna yung pag-vlog, then I will continue dun sa salon. Okay.
A few moments later.
Yun guys, at this time nandito na ako sa salon since wala pa kaming customer. So yun guys, idiretso na natin yung pagtikim ko na pag-experience ng BTS meal McDonald's here in the Philippines. So hindi ako, actually guys, I'm not a fan of BTS, pero since nga a lot of people is searching online and very trending nung BTS meal. So part kasi ng food unknown is to discover food and other things na pwede natin kainin worldwide. At this time, kumbaga kung saan naroon ako, so nag-feature ako na iba't ibang pagkain. So, it happened na I'm here in the Philippines and then, yun nga, pinag-uusapan ng buong mundo yung BTS meal. And yun nga guys, medyo mahal siya, 260 pesos, which is around 6 or $8, something like that, yung range ng price, $6 to $8. Kasi 8 times 30 is 300, okay guys, mga nasa $7. 7 Singapore dollars yung BTS meal, which is it's a regular value meal in Singapore. Yun nga, na-compare ko lang. Tapos yun guys, eto na siya. Eto na yung BTS meal. Eto yung kanyang drinks. So of course, yung Coke nila, gano'n naman lasa. Yun lang yung packaging ngayon is more dedicated sa mga BTS fans and BTS themselves. Of course, ganun pa rin yung lasa ng Coca-Cola. So it's my first time. Guys, meron kasing sauce. So yun, may sauce kasi parang Korean version ng sauce. I don't know this one. So ang ingredients ng Cajun, ito yung pinakita ko na kanina, which is Cajun. Yung soya bean oil, water, sugar, Dijon, para siyang mustard seed. So kung yung Cajun, I think this one is para dun sa nuggets. And then sweet chili. Sweet chili, parang chili sauce. Hindi siya parang chili sauce. Chili sauce siya talaga. Tapos guys, ang printing niya is Korean. Sana may Tagalog, para Pinoy na Pinoy. So, here it is, yung chicken nuggets. Tikman natin yun. Mahal na meal ni McDonald's. BTS meals. For me, it's costly. It's expensive actually. Because normally, yung pagkain naman sa fast food, normally 100 plus lang, then you can eat a meal already. 10, yung lasa ng pagkain, to be fair enough, I'll give it 8. All in all, kung i-rate yung experience ko ng BTS meal dito sa episode na to, I'll give 8.5. I'm a Filipino and I'm still I love yung caramel sundae ni McDonald's, but when it pertains to chicken at saka spaghetti and burger steak, I still love Jollibee. So, yun guys. On the other hand, compare naman natin sa McDonald's na pagkain. What I really love is yung fries nila. So, napakasarap ng fries nila. As in, first time ko na-appreciate yung fries ni McDonald's when I was in Baguio. Doon ko nalasahan na lasang-lasang patatas talaga yung fries ni McDonald's. Hindi ko alam kung for some reason, compare with other fast food chain, yung fries nila. So pagdating sa fries, for me number 1 si McDonald's, and it's I'll give it 10 out of 10. Yung fries nila, super the best. Tapos, kahit medyo, alam mo yun, medyo malamig na siya kasi nga, umalis ako dun sa store kasi baka makapiright tayo. Ayun. Lasang-lasang patatas. Sa mga BTS fan, please support this vlog. Subscribe and click the bell notification for more videos. And support yung channel na to guys kasi I'm still working a lot para mag-improve yung channel ko and I need 1,000 subscribers para ma-monetize and 4,000 watch hour. So at this time, hindi ko pa nare-reach yun and I just only have 300 subscribers. So sa mga BTS fan, worldwide and nationwide here in the Philippines, I am asking for your support. Please share this video and sana ma-achieve ko na yung 4,000 watch hour at saka 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Please, 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 please help me. My success on this vlog is based on my viewers. So sana sa lahat ng BTS fans, magustuhan niyo yung mga pagkain ni-feature ko in the future. Okay? That's all for today. Always remember, God loves you. Bye for now.